This is the final look after replacing the screen, which is great. Super clean. Hello everyone, this is Samsung A01. Today we're going to replace the screen. This is the genuine screen. We're going to replace it, which one comes with the mid frame, you know, with the body, and also speaker include kinds of vibrator. And this one I just put it now. I had spare just to check this is the right model or not. And this is the ordinary screen that you can get it very cheap price, but the problem is it's more difficult. As you can see, you need kind of glue, and then you need to put the air filter and stuff like that, lot of things. This one, it looks like difficult because you're going to pull out everything from there to in here, but that is much more easier. So today we're going to perform the replacement with this with the frame and everything. Okay, so first is first, make sure you turn off your phone, the broken one, and take out the SIM tray. This is the most common mistake that we do. Once it's taken out, then take a flat opening tool, you know, and then you need to open the back cover. It's so simple, it's not too difficult. I can use my fingertips to pry this up. Okay, but I would suggest to use the proper tools. Okay, once you've taken out, then a lot of screws comes here, which one already I open it. As you can see, there are many screws right here. Okay, some extra as well. So all the screws are same in size, so don't worry, just put it together. And all right, once all the screw removed, then what you need to do, we need to gently pull this up. Okay, and then immediately disconnect the battery connector. That's the first thing. Then the display, and then this bottom frame, which one should come up. We need little help with this frame. Flat opening tool, as you can see, it's so simple. Now whatever you can see here, we're going to put it right here. Okay, this one I had extra, I put it already in, but remember, be gentle when you pull this out. Make sure you apply some heat. So I'm going to show you how to do that by pulling this out. First, take a kind of hair dryer and apply some heat. The reason is this is very thin. If you use any kinds of pry tool, the board could be bent, and that would make a problem for the charging and all other issue. It could be network failure as well. So disconnect it, and then disconnect this as well. Disconnect this side, and now we're going to apply some heat. Okay, once the heat is applied, what you need to do, we just need to open it up. Okay, that is the charging port, and gently put this back in here like that. You don't need any sort of glue or anything. First, this side goes right here like that, you know, and then once the alignment is correct, just push it down like that. If it doesn't go, don't push it further. First of all, you need to check if the alignment is correct or not. As you can see, easily sits back. Okay, so once this one in here, then the second job to pull out the motherboard. The motherboard doesn't have any screw, which is really good and easy to do that. As you can see, this one is coming out. We need this flex later on. And then second one is the battery. Now the battery does have very strong glue underneath. So what we can do, we can try first with this. If it comes out, it's fine. If it doesn't, what we can do, we can use some PCB cleaner. Apply some sort of PCB cleaner, which is 99.99% alcohol. I'm going to apply at the bottom side. I will explain what's the reason. Alright, never apply at the front bit because they are a kind of seal tape. So if we add it, the tape gonna remove and make physically weak. Okay, so shake it that way. Always best idea to use the plastic foam, but metal is not good. Alright, so as you can see, this is kind of little bit bubbly, which is absolutely fine. Okay, I'm going to rub it on the flat surface. As you can see, now it comes into the shape, which is absolutely normal. Now we're going to take out this tape, but not first. First is this one. Okay. Alright, that is connected properly. Good. Second one, now the actual battery. Alright. Before I apply the battery, I'm going to make sure I connect the actual connector. Make click noise, which is normal, and then this one. Good. Now let's put it back. I don't know if there is any charge or not, but anyway, let's check it. This is turning on, which is positive. The main fact to check if it is charging or not, because this screen comes with two cable, okay, two flags. So that is the main flags, goes to the screen, I mean motherboard. But this one comes from the charging board. So if the screen is good, doesn't mean the charging also should work. You need to check it individually. Because this one, when I used before, the touch, everything was working fine. But when I tried to charge it, the phone was not charging. And later on I found problem is part of the screen. So make sure if you do have this one or that one, regardless, double check if it is charging or not. Okay, so 4-pin, let's go to emergency. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Everything is fine. Now I'm going to put it on charge just to make sure it's fine. Yeah, it's charging, which one shows 100%. So now we are good to go. There is nothing left over. Everything is fine. Battery seated properly. There is no gap. Finally, we'll put it back here. Okay. We can start from the top. And another common mistake that we do when we attempt to repair, we put the SIM tray in wrong way. Okay, if you put it in wrong way, you're gonna damage the internal component. Okay, so make sure you do double check. There is the hole on the top, so this hole should be on the top, and then it goes like that. Okay, everything is working fine. I don't have the pin number because this is from customer. They do have sensitive data, so I'm going to leave it like that. So finally, let's check it out how it looks. Okay, super clean. Thank you so much for watching. Still, if you do have any question, make sure you leave it in the comment section. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.